God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. My heart is trembling, but it's still reaching out. My voice is weak, but it still whispers your name. My hope is small, but it refuses to die. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. The weight on my soul is almost too heavy. The tears keep falling before I can stop them, but my feet still walk toward your presence. And God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. I don't have answers, only questions and fears, but something inside knows you won't leave me alone. So I lift my shaking hands once more. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. I'm standing in pieces, but you see my whole heart. You know the storm inside me without a word, and you still call me closer. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. My spirit feels tired from fighting unseen battles. I'm weary of pretending I'm strong, but you welcome me as I am. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. The silence around me feels louder than my prayers, but I know you hear every hidden cry. Nothing in me is lost to you. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. I walk through dark valleys with trembling steps. Fear tries to claim my heart every day, but your love keeps pulling me forward. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. Even when I cannot feel your touch, even when life stops making sense, I choose you over and over again. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. My strength is fading, but your grace remains. My dreams are cracked, but you restore the shattered. You breathe life into what I thought was gone. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. God, lay my failures at your feet once more. yet I still come to you. Every scar is a prayer, you understand. Every sigh is a language you speak. Every tear is a message you receive. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. You are the healer of wounds I can't describe. You are the comforter of fears I can't speak. You are the peace I cannot find alone. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. And every time I return, you remind me, brokenness is not a disqualification. It is the doorway to deeper grace. God, I feel broken, yet I still come to you. Not because I am strong, but because you are. Not because I have it together, but because you hold me. And in your presence I begin to breathe again.